Hello, Namaskara. In this video, let us solve Magadi Preparatory Exam 40 questions in Maths. The first question is an nth term question, arithmetic progression question. AP is given by 11, 9, 7 and 5. What is the nth term? To solve this, we use AN formula. And the AN formula you can use using the value of A. A idralli 11 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Difference is 9 minus 11, which is minus 2. So using the formula, we can show that AN is 13 minus 2N. So the answer is C. Second question, idralli correct relationship yavadu anta kelidare. We have to say which one is the correct relationship. The correct relationship is D because Sn equals Sn minus 1 plus An. N minus 1 terms the sum ge n term add madidre Sn sigutte. We can show that An equals Sn minus 1. Idu baki mooru tappu. Third question, arithmetic progression question. Nth term is given. Instead of asking the first term and the second term, they have asked the value of the sum of those two terms. Averadana add madidaga sum of those two terms sigutte. So recall, Sn equals A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus An. ನಮಗೆ AN ಗೊತ್ತು 3n minus 1 ಅಂತ. A1 ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 3 1 minus 1 which is 2. A2 ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 3 2 minus 1 which is 5. S2 ಅದನ್ನ A1 plus A2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Answer is B. Fourth question. 2x plus 14 are in arithmetic progression. The value of x ಏನು? ಇದು arithmetic mean question. We have to add the two terms 2x plus 14 and 2 plus 14 divided by 2 which is 16 divided by 2 which is 8. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Answer 8. ಇದನ್ನ common difference use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. x minus 2 is common difference. 14 minus x is common difference. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You get the same answer. Fifth question. The sum of 50 natural odd numbers. First 50 natural odd numbers. If you know the formula, the sum of first n natural odd numbers is n square. So answer to 2500 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If you don't know the formula, then you can apply the standard formula. This is an arithmetic progression 1 3 5 7. A is 1, common difference is 2. Formula apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get 2500. So either you can apply n square formula or you can apply s of 50 formula. ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೂ 2500 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Sixth question. Representation of lines. It's a pair of lines question. There are two lines that I have given. 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals 0. 6x plus 9y minus 27 equals 0. There are two such equations, and we have to find what kind of equations they are. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2 ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So a1 by a2 in this case is 2 by 6, 1 by 3. So a1 by a2 is 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is also 1 by 3. c1 by c2 is also 1 by 3. ಈ ಮೂರು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ they are coincident lines. Answer is D. This is a formula question. A1 equals B1 by B2. A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2. Not equal to C1 by C2 is a condition for a pair of linear equations in two variables, number of solution. ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ they are parallel. Parallelಗೆ zero solutions ಇರುತ್ತೆ because parallel lines don't meet. Parallel lines don't meet ಆದ್ರಿಂದ zero solutions ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Eighth question. X plus y equals 9, x minus y equals 1. You can find that the answer is 5 and 4. ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ 5 plus 4 9 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 5 minus 4 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. It is not possible. Only 5 and 4 satisfy the equation. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು if you want to solve, you can also solve using elimination method, substitution method. You can also solve using that. But in these kind of easy questions, I recommend you just substitute the value and see which one works. ಬೇಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Ninth question. If linear equation in two variables x plus 2y equals 3 and 2x plus 4y equals k coincide ಆದರೆ value of k. Again, ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, A1 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 1, A2 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 2, C1 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ -3, C2 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ -k. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು 3 ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದರೆ -3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. C2 ಅದೇ ಥರ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದರೆ -k ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ k ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 6 ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ C. 10th question. This is the first trigonometry question. This is a complementary angle question. Now sin theta cos 90 minus theta anta gottu. Yenanta madbodu? We can write sin A as cos 90 minus 2A because they are the same. Amele we can equate. So 90 minus 2A equals A minus 30. 2A na right hand side tagondogi 30 na left hand side tagondodre 120 equals 3A sigutte, which means A equals 40 degree. This is the 10th question, and this is a complementary angle trigonometry question. Answer 40 degree. This is a complementary angle question. Usually question nalli angle anna add madidre 90 degree bandre, idralli nodi 60 plus 30 90 degree ide, then it is a complementary angle question. Idralli sin theta equals cos 90 minus theta anta ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. sin 60 cos 90 minus 60 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos 30 ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. cos 30 minus cos 30 is 0. The answer is 0. 12th question. This is standard definition question. Tan theta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, cot theta ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ answer 12 by 5. Tan theta is 5 by 12. So cot theta has to be 12 by 5. 13th question. In the adjoining figure, find the value of x. X angle ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Usually angle alpha, beta, theta ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We have to find the value of x. ಹೇಗೆ? Opposite side and adjacent side ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So we will use tan theta because tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Tan x equals opposite side which is AB, adjacent side which is BC. So AB by BC. But AB 6 root 3 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು, BC 6 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. Substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ root 3 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. root 3 value is only true for tan 60. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ tan x equals tan 60 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. In other words, x equals 60 degree. Opposite side ಮತ್ತು adjacent side ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ tan ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Distance between 2 points question. This is a straight formula question. Answer is 5 units. 15th question. Perpendicular distance from x-axis, from y-axis from a point. Question. Y-axis idre x coordinate ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So the x coordinate is 3. Answer is 3. 16th question. If P is a midpoint of a line segment, so midpoint formula question idu. Midpoint formula ಏನು? x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get answer 2 by 5. The answer is C. Okay, straight midpoint formula question. This is an interesting question. There are 3 vertices of a triangle. Triangle 3 vertices ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Perimeter of a triangle ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Perimeter ಅಂದರೆ ಸುತ್ತಳತೆ. ಸುತ್ತಳತೆಗೆ we need to find all 3 sides. We need to find all 3 sides. How do we find all 3 sides? We use the distance formula. Distance formula use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು all 3 sides ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. So what are the 3 sides? We need to find 0, 4, 0, 0, first 2 point sides. 0, 0, 3, 0, second and third point. First and third point. 0, 0, 3, 0. ಇವುಗಳ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 4 ಅಂತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ 5 ಅಂತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದೀಸ್ 3, ಯು ಗೆಟ್ 12. ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 12. 18th question. The roots of equation x square minus 3x equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation. If we simplify, we can show that the roots are 0 and 3. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 0 or 3 ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿ. This is another quadratic equation question. Roots equal and real ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The value of k. Roots equal ಇದ್ರೆ discriminant 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So what is b square minus 4ac? ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 4k ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So b square is 4k square. ac ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? a is 12, c is 3. So ac is 12 times 3 times 4. ಅದು 144 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 144 by 16 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, which is 9, which means k square is 3 square, which means k is plus or minus 3. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. 19th question. Answer is D. Product of two consecutive odd numbers is 63. Equation form ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Consecutive odd numbers can be represented as x and x plus 2. If you multiply them, you get 63. So, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು? x square plus 2x minus 63 equals 0 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ x and x plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕನ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, x and x plus 2. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿ. Which of them is a quadratic equation? So, first one is not a quadratic equation because power is 3, cubic equation idu. Second one is not a quadratic equation because there are two variables, x ಮತ್ತು p ಇದೆ. Third one is not a quadratic equation because it's a linear equation. Highest power is 1. Fourth one is a quadratic equation, x square ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So the answer is D. Volume of a cylinder question. Volume of a cone with the same radius and height ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. We can see that the cone's volume is 1/3 of cylinder's volume. So the answer is 300 divided by 3. Answer is 100. Twenty-third question, formula question. Total surface area of a hemisphere with radius p ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. r ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, p ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But the formula is the same. 3 pi r square ಬದಲು 3 pi p square ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 23rd is C. 24th question. Total surface area of cone ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Formula question. Radius is 7. Slant height is 13. So total surface area formula substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 440 centimeter square ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಈ formula substitute ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Answer is 440. 25th question. Toy is made up of cone and hemisphere having same radius. ಒಂದು cone ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು hemisphere ಇದೆ. Total surface area ಏನು? ಸೊ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬರೀ ಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹಿಡನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್. ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೋನ್ ಬೇಸನ್ನು ಅದು ಮುಚ್ಚುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಬರೀ ಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು 25th ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಫನಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಫ್ರಸ್ಟ್ರಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕೋನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್. Standard question. 27th question. A line that intersects a circle at 2 points is called secant. 2 points idre secant, 1 point idre tangent. 28th question. Idu distance of tangent question. So what we know is AP is 3 cm and CD is 5 cm. CB is same as CD because they are tangents from point C to circle. PB is same as AP, 3 cm as they are tangents from point P to the circle. So, ಈ PB ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು AP ಗೆ ಸಮ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, which is 3 cm. BC ಇರೋದು CD ಗೆ ಸಮ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, which is 5 cm. ಇದು 5, ಇದು 3. ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 cm. Answer is 8. angle between tangent of an external point is 75 degree. What is the angle between radius? We know that if the angle between tangent is 75 degree, when you add it to the radius, it is 180 degree. So angle between radius is 180 minus 75, which is 105. Answer A. 30th question. So there are two similar triangles, POQ SOR. PQ is to RS, PQ is to RS, 1:2 anta kottidare. So this ratio, this side to this side is 1:2. They've asked what is the ratio of this side to this side. So in a similar triangle, the ratios are the same. So that will also be 1:2. 31. In ABC, DE is perpendicular to BC. We know the value of DE, we know the value of BC, we know the value of AD, length of AB ಏನು. ಇದು similar triangle use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. We know the value of DE and BC. So you can do 5 by 8. So AD 3 by 5 ಆದರೆ we can say AD by AB equals DE by BC. 3.5 divided by AB is 5 by 8, which means AB is 5.6 centimeter. Okay. So this similar triangle use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Answer is A. 32nd question. Trigonometry question. Sin A plus cos A whole square ಅನ್ನ sin square plus cos square plus 2 cos A sin A ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Sin square plus cos square is 1. So the answer is 1 plus 2 sin A cos A. 33rd question. It's a Pythagoras theorem question. They have given that AC is 10 centimeter, AB is 6 centimeter. What is BC? BC is 8 centimeter. Pythagoras theorem use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we can show that BC is 8 centimeter. Answer is B. Height of an equilateral triangle. This is an interesting question. So if you draw an equilateral triangle, they have said that we find the height of the equilateral. So AD is equilateral. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಹೈಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ CDA ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ A2A and this side they form right angle triangle. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, AD is perpendicular to BC, therefore ADC is a right angle triangle. CD is A because ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. AC is 2A. Pythagoras theorem ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we can show that AD equals √3 A unit. Answer is A. The ratio of area of two similar triangles is 4:9, the ratio of their median. Now the ratio of the area of triangles we know is to square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Adrinda, the ratio of the sides in this case is 2:3. But is it same as the ratio of median? Yes. If triangles are similar, the ratio of any two corresponding segments, not only sides, altitude, median, angle, bisector, ಯಾವುದು ratio of the corresponding two sides ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ it will be 2:3. In a unit test, average marks of students is 10 and total marks is 350, the total number of students. So total mark 350, we don't know the number of students. The answer average is 10. So 350 by n is 10, which means n is 350 by 10, which is 35. Answer is A. 37th question. 37th question, the adjoining graph represents what? So the adjoining graph in this case represents less than type ogive. 38th question, ಈ distribution ಅಲ್ಲಿ model class ಯಾವುದು? The model class is the one which is the highest frequency. So the answer is 7 to 9. ಯಾಕೆ? That has the highest frequency, 15. 39th question, the length of the tangent to a circle. So basically tangent 24 ಆಗಿದೆ. The distance from center and the point is 25. Find this distance. ಇದು Pythagoras theorem question. So what is the answer? Answer is 7. ಯಾಕೆ? 25 square equals 7 square plus 24 square. ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Answer is A. So finally, 40th question. To construct a triangle similar to triangle ABC, BC ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, B angle, C angle ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is the scale factor? 3:7 scale factor. BC will be divided in a ratio. So, ಹೊಸ triangle is 3/7th of the old triangle. ಅಂದರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ triangle. So, 3/7 ಆಗಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ರೇಷಿಯೋ 3:4 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3:4, 3 + 4 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 7 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So 3:4 ಆನ್ಸರ್. This was relatively easy paper. ಕೆಲವು tricky questions ಇತ್ತು, but most of them were standard questions. Hopefully you found this useful. Thank you for watching. See you soon with more papers and answers. Bye.